Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving GMAT math problems out of this book here, GMAT Review, the official guide. If you do not have this book already, purchase one immediately at mba.com. The problem that I'm going to solve in this clip is the one that appears on page 164, problem solving 96. Let's take a look at it. It says, what is the value of 1/2 plus 2/3 times 3/8 divided by 4 minus 9/16. That's what they're asking. That's what the problem is asking. To start out with, I'm just going to ignore this part here. We're just going to pretend this thing does not exist. I'm going to erase it. I'm just going to evaluate this thing first. So let's get going. 2/3 times 3/8. I hope that you're able to see immediately that these three cancel out. This 3 goes with that, and these 2 cancel out with this one. So basically this quantity boils down to 1/4. And what we're dealing with is 1/4 divided by 4. 1/4 divided by 4 is same as 1/4 times, what do you do when you have a fraction 1/4 divided by 4? What do you do when you have a fraction, when you're supposed to divide a fraction by something, which is same as 1/4 times the reciprocal of this guy, which is going to be 1/4 again. So this thing is 1/4 divided by 4 is same as 1/4 times 1/4. In other words, what I'm trying to explain to you is that somehow you have to learn these things instead of sitting there and wonder how am I supposed to solve this bloody thing without a calculator. But that's the whole point. You are not allowed to use the calculator. This is the only method that is your savior. You have to learn it. If you do not know how to deal with fractions, go to the clip that I put together. I believe it was a problem number 77. You should go and watch my clip on 77. I'm going to erase this part here so that you don't get confused between the two. Go to this clip here, GMAT dash page number 162, problem solving 77. Watch that clip, and in that clip you will learn how to deal with dividing fraction with other fractions, and I give you 2 or 3 examples there to show you how it is done. So anyway, this whole thing boils down to 1/16. That whole mumbo jumbo that they gave you boils down to 1/16. So which is what I'm going to use now. I'm going to erase everything. I'm going to rewrite the problem, and we know that middle part equals to 1/16. Where did it go? There we go. So we have 1/2 plus 2/3 times 3/8 divided by 4 minus 9/16. Well, let's take a look. I already know that all of this part boils down to 1/16. So basically I'm asked to find 1/2 plus 1/16 minus 9/16. First thing you have to do here is find the common denominator. What is the common denominator between a 2, 16 and a 16? The common denominator would be 16. 16 is the lowest number that you can come up with, where each number will divide evenly. You cannot do 8 because 8 will not go evenly into 16 and so forth. So 16 goes into 2 8 times. 16 goes into 1 time. 16 goes into 16 1 time, so this is just 1. And this 16 goes into this thing 1 time, so that's just that. So what do I end up on the top? What do we end up on the numerator? 8 plus 1 minus 9. It's a big fat 0. This whole thing, basically, after all that work, all we end up is a big fat 0. That's the answer. The answer is E. Alright? But you have to be able to see that this 1/16 is this part right here. Because this cancels out. This is 1/4. And 1/4 divided by 4. I'm going to do it again. 1/4 divided by 4 is same as 1/4 times 1/4, which boils down to 1/16. I hope you found this helpful. And if you wish to purchase the DVDs of the math problems that I have put together, send me an email. Go to my website at prep, for GMAT.com. Prep4GMAT.com. Send me an email. Or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, again, I'm located in Connecticut. Send me an email and we'll talk. Regardless of where you are, I will come and help you. Alright? Thank you.